Well, good morning, traders. I hope you're having a good day. And as usual, it's always a good day to trade. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, traders, for starters, the Bank Nifty has opened a bit sideways or at the previous closing, and I've shorted in the first trade, but it didn't go as per the plan and it hit a SL of 70 points, which was a big loss. But I re entered the market soon after I saw a bit rejection from top, and you could see that trade is going on. So the first SL was a huge one of 70 points, but I knew my intuition that market would come down and hit a nearly good level of support below today's day low. So that was the basic logic for taking this trade. So let me explain you the actual reason why I've taken this trade here. So reason number one, you could see if you follow CPRs, you could see that's a inside CPR, which generally forms on two conditions. That is, one, it is they're going to be a sideways day, or two, that they're going to be a breakout day. But yesterday was a sideways day, and the market didn't open at very good key level. And as you could see, it did try to go up, but eventually faced a resistance and came down. So based on that thing, I shorted here. So that was the first logic. Second one was, if you watch RSI, at this particular point, the RSI did indicate a little bit overbought market. So that was a good confirmation for selling this thing. And third and most important reason is the 15-minute chart. If you watch Bank Nifty, you could clearly see a inverted hammer candle forming down, which generally indicates a really good selling pressure, and that was the main reason why I again shorted even after losing 70 points on my first trade. So usually my risk appetite is around 2% of my capital, and I did lose 70 points in the first trade itself, but then again I shorted it again. And as you could see, the trade did go according to a plan. It did go very well according to a plan. So at this particular point, I was thinking that it might take a support at that particular region. But after soon further analysis, you could see on Bank Nifty spot chart a really good trend line forming up. And if you have a chart open, you could definitely check that trend line out. It was the main reason why I increased my target further from, you could see, 130 points to further 200 points down the line. Well, so if you're watching this video till now, don't forget to smash that like button. Comment down below if you have taken any trade today in any other segments. And moving on to a further thing, you could see that Bank Nifty is going down as according to our plan, but it started taking a support. At this point, I was a bit worried because such breakouts do happen because of the inside CPR, and if the breakout happen at this particular region of the level, it would go up really fast and would take another stop loss, which would be a really bad hit to my trading account. So that was the another thing which I was thinking during this trade. But as you could see, it started forming a wick and from the upside in 5 minutes candle, and as soon as it break the 20 period moving average, and you could see there was a really good momentum in this thing. You could see as soon as it start breaking 20 period moving average, it felt like nothing else was supporting down there. So as soon as it started falling, I increased my target because I knew if it's going to fail, it will definitely going to take support at the previous support zones, which was just below this today's low, and the actual support zone on spot chart was about 50 points below today's low. But I didn't plan for that thing. You could see the trend line I've drawn. So the last one is my third target. That one was my first target, and the CPR was my second target. And it did hit the third target. I was hoping it would fall down further, but as soon as I saw on spot chart, it was taking a bit support. That's why I rushed and closed it just at 200 points and ended this trade in a really good profit. And as you could see, just after I close it go up. It form a really good rejection from downside and form a really good bullish thing, and it hit our SL. But at that time, we were out of the trade. But if we wanna we would definitely lose really good points. It was roughly around 130 points from our SL, so that would be a good loss for us. But we end this day with profit, which is good. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Comment down below if you have taken any trades in today in any other segments, futures, derivatives, or equity or commodities. Don't forget to share this video, press that notification bell so it never miss any update from us. And thank you for watching.